forgive the lack of engine stand, but I did decide to take the sump off to have a look around just to check everything. What a lovely engine. It's freshly restored, although I do believe that the restoration work or the rebuild was actually in the 1980s. It's just never run, or it's only ever had a test run since it was rebuilt, but I don't intend to strip that down any further. There's no evidence of corrosion or damage and everything is good. I'm glad I did take the sump off though, because there is a little bit of sediment in the bottom that's gathered over the years, so it'll be nice just to give that a clean out and obviously change all the gaskets. The gaskets are damaged now with being separated from the sump. All the timing gear looks new, so it really is a relief, should we say. It's a really, after all the work that was involved in the bodywork, it's really nice to find that the engine has been properly looked after and renovated. The gearbox we know is the original gearbox for the car, but it has been reconditioned. I've got some paperwork to say that it was reconditioned. It's dry, as in it doesn't have any transmission fluid in at the moment, so that's my only concern, is that it's been stored for a long time without any transmission fluid in. Whether the clutches have gone brittle, I really don't know. It's difficult. I might get in touch with the company that renovated it and ask them for some advice. So yeah, now it's just a case of tidying, painting, new gaskets and rebuild, get everything back together again, and then that can wait to get put back into the car when it's eventually painted.